Nature Craft starts operation in Dubai. A one-stop shop for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, artisans, SME partners and commercial manufacturers who are looking for quality raw materials for cosmetics, aromatherapy, perfumery, soap and candle manufacturing. Nature Craft offers you waxes, butters, herbal extracts, dry flowers, carrier oils, fragrance oils, colors, natural preservatives, surfactants, UV blocks, and a complete range of essential oils. With more than a decade of experience and a commitment to exceed expectations, Nature Craft sources materials globally from industry leaders in the farming community. Nature Craft brings you authentic and high-quality products in both retail and bulk quantity packs.
We are at shop number 4 Al Hashmi Building, Al Karama, Dubai. Call us now.